Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show step by step how you can easily connect Google Calendar with Google Sheets. So the first thing that you want to do is just scroll down below to the description of this video and click on the link. When you're gonna do it, you will get right here to Make. Make is an amazing app that is going to help us create our connection and create our integration with Google Sheets and Google Calendar. So what you want to do is when you're gonna sign up for Make, it's like really cool tool that you can use, and you're gonna sign up. You're gonna be right here in a scenario. Then you want to create a new scenario, and here you want to simply click plus here. Now I'm going to add a Google Sheets. Okay, like this. Google Sheets, and then you can, when you're gonna add a row or trigger or clear a row or get a cell, or you can even connect it with whatever you want. So let's say when there's going to be an add a row, and then you would choose account here, so you would simply add it and connect it with your Google account. Then you're gonna click plus here, and you can simply find and add calendar. And you're gonna find right here Google Calendar. So you're gonna click Google Calendar, and then you're gonna have create an event, or you choose the calendar here or whatever you want. So create event. Again, you would connect account, and now we see that when they're gonna add a row, we're gonna create event. They got plenty of educational materials. You can always click here and you can set up a filter. You can add a row, and you can always click here run once, right? But you need to have connected your Sheets and Google Calendar account, and you can easily change the schedule settings if you want to have every 15 minutes, every day of a week. That's completely up to you. So that's pretty much it, how you can do it. If you can have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'm really happy to help you. You can always also click to templates, and I can click here, and I can have Google Sheets here, and you can find all the Google Sheets right here. So thank you very much, guys, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya. And to turn it on, you will go to scenario and turn it on here.